All right, this is attempt number 5 at this. The first 3, I had problems with the code, and the fourth one, I forgot to turn the mic on. So, here we are. Starting at the top, all these beautiful little endpoints and compass. No sensitive data in the repository. A properly working deployment through renderer. And a properly working deployment through render. Let's get on to the fun stuff, which is to go into the API and then hit all the pretty buttons in order. Pretty button number 1 is working. Hooray. Don't need that open. Pretty button number 2, the get all, which shows all 5 of my nice little names in there. And this is the one I'm going to be hitting over and over again to show off things. Here is the get one, and I will grab the last number, so I have to do less scrolling, because attempt number 4 was 10 minutes long. And then we hit the try out. Oh no, this is the post. Okay, well, that's fine. I guess that's fine. Boy, I am terrible with a mouse. My compulsive need to capitalize. Boop-a-doo. 12.99. Okay. Execute. No issues. Re-execute that. Cool. There's that. Now we come down. First I'm going to cancel, close, and come down to by specific ID. So many extra buttons. Is that execute specific ID. Cancel, close. Now we've got put, which lets me edit stuff, which means I'm going to grab the last number again. Control V. Grab this stuff. Then I'm going to go ahead and make this Christmas for this fictional character and change his name and hit the execute button. No issues. Scroll up. Execute. Changed. Still need this so that I can come down to the last one and hit the button. Execute this. No errors, which is nice. Then we hit execute, and we do not see the last entry. Okay, so there you go. That's, I think, everything the rubric tells me. All the endpoints are testable. Database is updated. Cool. Here's the video. Showed off Compass. Showed off GitHub. And then the last bit is the code. So code. All right. Here is my routes.js, specifically in the controllers. And I want to replace this, but I'm not gonna because the code's working. And why break something that's working? Apart from the fact that this is a holdover from the last assignment when, because I did not know better, I did not know how to do it elsewise. I used AI to catch up to what I needed because there have been changes in the syntax, and it basically made it so that I couldn't find how to fix it. I have since, because I have researched more, been able to find how to fix it. I don't want to fix things that are working, but I have found a way to make it work elsewise, and that is this fancy little bit right here. It seems that after version 5, they decided to update the syntax, and now you have to parse the object ID into a string to pass it along to this, which I don't even know what to call this. Anywho, and that works for these. And I could probably finagle it to working here, but again, why break something that's working? And that is all of it. Oh, saw in an email that we're supposed to tell you what AI we used for this particular, and literally exclusively this particular line of code. I used ChatGTP to find how to do this. It explained it to me. I understood next to none of it, but it worked. And now I know better how to do it down here. I just don't want to risk breaking something by changing this. So that's where I'm at. Yeah.